Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we're going to show you how to save an image from your VSCO Studio in your account to your phone's camera roll or gallery. Whether you're on phone, we'll walk you through the process clearly. First, open the VSCO app on your phone. Once the app is open, look towards the bottom and tap on the Studio icon. Next, locate the image you want to save, tap 2 times to open it, then tap the 3 dots in the bottom right to open the Options menu. After that, you will see the Save option, tap on it. Then the image will be exported and saved directly to your phone's photo library or gallery. Finally, open your phone's gallery app to verify the image has been saved successfully. That wraps up how to save images from your VSCO Studio to your phone. It's simple and ensures your edited work is always accessible in your own gallery for safekeeping or sharing.